To teach your bird to wave, he must first know how to step up. See my previous video for a tutorial. You'll need a clicker and some treats. Present your finger to the bird as if you are asking him to step up. Click your clicker when his foot is up in the air before he has stepped onto your finger. Reward him with the treat. You will need to repeat this process several times before your bird catches on. You can also add a verbal cue, like wave. As your bird catches on, you should eventually be able to get him to wave just by wiggling your finger or providing a verbal cue. Make sure to always use the same foot. You can train him to wave later with the other foot using the same technique. If your bird normally steps up fast, you'll have to be really quick with the clicker. Follow us for more training tutorials.